ओके सो वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग. द टाइम राइट नाउ इज़ 10:05 हो चुके हैं एंड द डे इज़ फ्राइडे. वी आर एट रेस मेगोस. देखते अब तक नहीं गए. द फोर्ट इज़ राइट अप देयर. टिकट 50 रुपीज़ है per person. I don't know nothing about the fort, so probably there will be write-ups over there. So I'll be reading that and telling you all what is it, how the fort is, कब का है, कैसा है, सब बताऊंगा. लेकिन फिलहाल चलते हैं ऊपर. And I hope I'm coming in the frame. I don't know. धूप भी बहुत ज़्यादा है तो हालत ख़राब होने वाली है. I'll just wear my glasses because बहुत ज़्यादा ही धूप है. And that being said, let's start the tour of this place. I've taken the ticket. Ticket कहाँ पे? Yeah, that's the ticket. If it is focusing. Now let's start and see what we find. Let's explore the place a bit. चलो बाय बाय. That is probably what happens when you have to shoot all by yourself. Solo shooting के यही वांदे होते हैं. We're almost up there. देखेंगे जगह, बताएंगे आपको. I think it's quite a small fort, but देखते हैं कैसा है. Entry शायद यहीं से होगी. I'll have to figure out how I'll take my own photos. चलो फिर. Okay, so right now we are here. ये जो दिख रहा है आपको, it is this one. Says we are right here, and this is the basically the river. This is I think the fort. We'll see. उस हिसाब से कुछ दिखता है तो I'll definitely show you all. But पहले खुद समझते हैं कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है, फिर आपको बताएंगे. ठीक है? Okay, so that's the first building that we are entering. Let's see what's there inside. Hopefully there are fans inside. 2 मिनट सांस लेते हैं भाई. Shit. Okay, so this thing I think is the main building. This is how the fort basically looks. देख लो कुछ इस तरह. Yeah. And कुछ चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे जो मैं पढ़ने नहीं जाऊँगा. This thing is basically about this particular building, I think, because that is the place that we just entered from. Rismegos Fort before and after restoration. So these are basically before and after pics, like before and after restoration of this particular fort. पहले ऐसा था, फिर मैं ऐसा हो गया. पहले मैं ऐसा था, फिर मैं ऐसा हो गया. So basically this is there. मेरे को लग रहा था कि मैं ड्रोन शॉट, because I don't have a drone, I won't be able to take a drone shot, but यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी एक ड्रोन शॉट है तो उससे काम चला लो. लेकिन ये बहुत पिछला वाला है. It is 1950 वाला. Just take a look at this. This is the one. This is how the fort looks from up above. Okay, so this thing basically says that ये जो building है, it was used as, this building was last used as cells for women prisoners. चलो अभी यहाँ से बाहर निकलते हैं. Oh shit, the wall was echoing so much inside for obvious reasons. अकेला था अपन वहाँ पे. Nothing was there inside as such. And जो धूप है ना, इतनी कड़कती धूप में व्लॉग शूट हो रहा है यहाँ पे. कोई नहीं करते अभी. Let's just go up and see what we are able to find. चलो. Okay, so right now I am at one of the shooting sites, बोल सकते हैं इसको, और vision sites, जो भी बोल दो. I don't know the exact word, but there are 4 cannons here right now. These are pretty big cannons. Come. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Basically इस तरफ का guard करने के लिए. And there are numbers. There are different numbers I guess on every cannon. Is it? Are there different numbers? This is, yeah. There are different numbers on different cannons. 262, 263, 264, 265. There's one more over there, and I think there's one more over there. We'll go that side as well. And this is a pretty old building. देख के कुछ ऐसा ही लग रहा है. This is a pretty old building. And god damn it, the view from here is the view from here is भाई साहब crazy bro, crazy. यहाँ से जो view है ना, भयंकर है यार, भयंकर. That's 1, 2 and 3 cannons. That brings up the count to 7. Just take a look at this view, man. I mean, like, this is next level, dude. This is crazy. This is as beautiful as it can get. That one, if you can see right there, I won't be able to zoom in उतना नहीं कर पाऊँगा because ख़राब हो जाएगा फिर. That is the Aguada Fort. वहाँ पे भी जाने का आज का प्लान है if things work out एज आई प्लान्ड आउट, देन वहाँ पे भी जाएंगे, उसका भी व्लॉग आपको जल्दी मिल जाएगा। बट फिलहाल के लिए दिस इज़ इट। द स्काई सिम्स प्रिटी क्लीन फॉर अ टाइम लैप्स, तो टाइम लैप्स एक लेके रखना बहुत अनिवार्य है। Look at this place. I mean, like, I won't even fit inside. Probably move out because we're Kidiasa and I don't want them on my head or anywhere else on my body. And getting inside that gives me anxiety. Just explore करते हैं और थोड़ा. And I think probably this is a dead end. It's a dead end. यहाँ से I can go down. यहाँ से you can go down, but I won't be going. मेरे को डर लग रहा है. छोड़ो. जैसे आए वहीं से जाते हैं. Yeah, this is it. And now we'll try to go that side. देखते हैं. Okay, so the third place that we are going is that particular building behind. देखते हैं वहाँ पे क्या मिलता है अपने को. And I just tried googling something about the place. It said that Reis Magos का basically मतलब है 3 wise men. It's in Portuguese. And हाँ, इतना ही समझ आया मेरे को. And there were a lot of dates which I did not understand a thing about. So you all can just check it out on Google if you all want to. But I am not able to give out about the dates. मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आया डेट्स के बारे में. It was कुछ तो है सबका सब लोगों का हिस्ट्री में जिन जिन लोगों का नाम था ना, सब लोगों के नाम है इसके अंदर. तो छोड़ो, अभी वहाँ पे चलते हैं. Okay, so the third place or the second building that we have come into has even more interesting story to it. I mean, like, just imagine having a bath in hot oil. Just imagine having a bath in hot oil. Basically, this is what the purpose of this hole was. As it reads, this was used to shoot or throw hot oil on the enemy who had breached the gates. Basically, ये देखो, मतलब you're passing by and a bloody hot oil falls upon you. I mean, like, wow. Beautiful. There are name of months written along with some photos and I don't really know what it actually means. मतलब सब लिखा हुआ है. This is, you know, paintings हैं यहाँ पे. That's what is there in this building. Let's go in the third building and fourth location. This particular building has a lot of information in here regarding the history, and which is the building that I'm talking about. If you want to read about the history of this place, this is the entry. यहाँ से entry लोगे आप. This is the first thing that you'll see. And the building, मतलब कैसे दिखाऊँ मैं यहाँ पे. The building that you're seeing right here, like this building has sort of good information which you can read and which I'll be reading as well. This place really gives me chills, like for real. I'll just take some time and read everything. And ये तो अपने गोवा के बारे में तो पढ़ूँगा ज़रूर. Come here to give it a visit, and this is a must in your itinerary if you are visiting Goa. So this is basically something that tells you about the obstructions that the Portuguese government had put upon the freedom fighters during the Goa's liberation, and this is what it speaks about. These are the letters, sort of things that were basically published at that point in time. Okay, so just if you all are wondering how to read it, what is the sequence that you need to start from, यहाँ से start करें या यहाँ से start करें. It's basically like you start from here, you go along the way because there are red markers that are put somewhere there. So this is the way that you will read it. These are the names of the freedom fighters that were imprisoned in the Reis Magos fort. मतलब यहाँ पे उन लोग को कैदी बनाया गया था. And that's the day when Goa was finally liberated. I mean, like, just take a look at these faces, just like you and me. Some common people with an uncommon vision of liberating Goa. That's probably what it takes, a vision. I'll show you all. The fort has basically seen everything that Goa had, right from being a defense fort to being a jail to being a hospital. It has seen everything, and it was, एक मिनट वापस अंदर जाना पड़ेगा. The fort has served since 1493. I mean, like, are you serious? तो यहाँ से कहानी यही थी. एंड फिलहाल यहाँ पे 2-3 फ़ोटोज़ क्लिक करते हैं और फिर निकलते हैं यहाँ से. That's probably the Reis Magos fort for you guys from my side. I know I was not able to cover up each and every bit of it, but I hope I did cover up some things. जितना मेरे से हो सका उतना I tried to show you all. And हाँ, that was all about it. I hope you all enjoyed this. I hope you all like the vlog. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And ज़्यादा पसंद है तो share ज़रूर करना. And if you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon so that you all don't miss any of the notifications. Henceforth, whenever I upload a new vlog. That was all about it from my side for today. I hope I was able to bring a smile on your face. Thank you for making me a part of your day. I'll see you soon in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. And peace. चलो बाय बाय. लेट्स जस्ट सिट हियर. एक काफ़ी अच्छी बढ़िया सी हवा आ रही है. थोड़ा यहाँ पे चिल करते हैं और फिर निकल जाते हैं. चलो फिर मिलते हैं. हाय राम, मेरी टांग टूट गई रे बाबा.